everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. It is so hot in Florida, like 106 degrees or something like that. So if I look a little sweaty, that is why, and it's gonna stay that way all summer. It is a hot, hot place. I'm about to go out for dinner and have some wine, and I'm super excited, but I have a little time. I've got a lot of boxes to open, so I figured I'd do a quick video. Before I get unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I do have my 5,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. If you have not yet entered, I will leave a link down below. Definitely go check that out. It's one of my biggest giveaways yet. But as you already know from the title of this video, today I am unboxing the June Culture Cakes Kit, and I'm super excited. This is the second one I've ever gotten. There's a theme each month. Like the name suggests, there's a different culture involved, and last month was Hawaii, and it was really awesome, super fun, and really different than other boxes I get. So I'm excited to see what we get this time. I have no idea what the theme is. They have different size options available. I think like the smaller size starts at $11 or something like that. Super affordable. I'll leave a link and all the pricing information down below. And they also gave me a code last time. I think it was like Kitty 15 or something like that. Again, I will leave that in the description box if you are interested. This is what the packaging looks like. So let's dive in and see what the theme is this month. I'm so excited. When I open it up, this is what I see. Oh, I think this is the Philippines this month. So it says, welcome to the Philippines. That is so cute. And then that is the back of it. And I'm guessing inside has some information. Oh, this is awesome. So it says, experience. This month we brought the many unique flavors of the Philippines to your doorstep. The Philippines is a country in Southeast Asia that has made a huge culinary impact around the world. Due to the early colonization of Spain, the geographical location of Southeast Asia, and the highly diverse population, the Philippines has a wide variety of delicious food. Filipino cuisine is often described as when East meets West. It is centered around the combination of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. In this box, you'll experience many Filipino favorites like polvorons, ube, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing anything, and anything, and even calamansi. It says 3 fun facts. The Philippines is made up of over 7,000 islands. The Philippines has 3 out of the top 10 largest shopping malls in the world. And pop singer Bruno Mars is half Filipino and half Puerto Rican. That's cool. I have some friends from the Philippines, and it seems like a really great place. At least really great people have come from the Philippines. I've met a lot of them, and I love them. And this is a little note here that says, hi Kitty, we want to send you our June mini snacks only kit. We noticed how much you enjoyed our full-size kit but could not really indulge. Hopefully you get a treat out of this mini kit. We included extra matcha for you, and then they have use coupon code Kitty15. So that was right. I'll leave that down below. So this is the mini more affordable option, which I'm actually glad they sent this one, because I'll link my last video down below, the Hawaiian one, so you could see what comes in the full size. Anyways, let's get on to the goodies. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm really hungry. Like I said, I'm going out to dinner, so it's gonna be hard not to like have a snack before I go. But this is the Ding Dong Mixed Nuts. Ooh, this looks good. And there's like a little guy on there. Ding Dong Mixed Nuts. And let's see what it says on here. Is there information on this? So they have information on some of the products here. I don't see this on the list, so let's read the back. It says, a great way to enjoy your munching with this high-grade mixed nuts in a pack. You get corn, green peas, cracker nuts, peanuts, and fava beans all in one snack. And I love nuts, so I'm super excited to try these out and see what the flavors are like. Next up we have by Oishi, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is pillows. This is Ube or Ube. It's UBE. I don't know how you say that. Ube filled crackers, and they're purple. And this one does have something in here. It says Ube, the Filipino food craze that is taking over the world. Ube is the Philippines' purple yam. Oh, so it's kind of like a potato in a way. Cool. So I'm excited to try this out. This is so new to me. And then what do we have here? Ube cake. It says luscious Ube flavor wrapped in a light, delectable sponge cake. Yum. It says a delicious Ube treat that tastes like cereal without the milk. Ooh, it looks like we have a drink here by the Philippine brand. This is calamansi juice drink. Not from concentrates, an excellent source of vitamin C. It says calamansi is a Filipino lime. Try this drink by itself, mix it with soy sauce to use as a dip, or make calamansi bars. Interesting. I wonder if you can mix it with other things like vodka. I guess we'll see. Mix with soy sauce for a dip. Oh my god, so there's like so many different uses you can do with this. Cool. Next up is buttercream crackers. Yum. This looks really good. It says, crackers are a popular snack in the Philippines no matter what the age. These crackers have another Spanish twist with the flavor of ensaimada. Hopefully I'm saying that correct. And then we have several of these little Kit Kats, but they look different than the Kit Kats in the United States. So they're only 65 calories. They feel different too. Okay, you know what? I think I could have one teeny little snack before I go. Let's open up one of these little Kit Kats and see what's different. Because oh my gosh, they're green. I wonder if this is like the matcha. Oh my god, this is like kind of melted because it's that hot in Florida. That's what their Kit Kats look like. I don't know, but that's crazy. So let's try it. It definitely has like the wafer like a Kit Kat, but it does kind of a matcha flavor too. Like it's not super chocolatey. This is good. So interesting. I'm gonna text my friends, see if they know about this. Oh, and there's one more. So I got 4 of those. So I think those are like my extra goodies. Sorry, I'm like chewing while talking. So I think this is such a cute box. I like the mini like snacks only box too. This is totally worth it, I think. Let's see if there's anything I missed on here. I don't think so. So yeah, that was everything. We got a fun variety of snacks. We got to learn a little bit more about the culture. I cannot wait to try everything. Have you guys tried any of these foods? And definitely correct me if I'm wrong with my pronunciation. I know someone usually is good about that, but anyways, like I said, I will leave the link down below along with coupon code and all of that. Definitely leave a comment with your thoughts. I love chatting with you guys. Anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you for unboxing with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!